Horsetail waterfalls maintain contact with the hard rock that underlies them. Reichenbach Falls, a fall on the Reichenbach stream in Switzerland, is a horsetail waterfall where legendary detective Sherlock Holmes allegedly fell to his doom. A waterfall forms across a fault or crack in the Earth's surface. Waterfalls form as streams flow from soft rock to hard rock. The water causes the rock to break, the soft rock weathers away, and the hard rock remains. Here's a picture of Sherlock Holmes fighting with Moriarty. As you can see, rocks are breaking away and falling. Here's another picture of Sherlock fighting with Moriarty. You can see the hard rock remain here. This is a
Hello?
fictional
No, it's
tombstone of
recording.
Sherlock Holmes.